Happy Thursday, YouTube. So, as the video says, fly in the countryside of Jamaica. Still to this day, it arguably is one of the most beautiful flights I've ever done in my 10 years of flying paramotors. If you've ever been to Jamaica, or you have or you haven't, it's incredible. And I advise anybody to get the chance, if they can fly it, whether it's on a paramotor or even just general aviation, you have to do it. It's one of those places that just makes you say wow the entire flight. So you're probably wondering, how did we end up in Jamaica? Well, it's a crazy story, and I'm gonna do an episode on that in itself. Long story made short, we got hired on by a cell phone company to fly through downtown Kingston and throw out cell phone gift cards from the air. Yeah, it's as crazy as it sounds. And afterwards, I had a few days to kill. So I flew the most remote parts of Jamaica. And what I mean by remote is that there wasn't another person seen for my entire flight. And that also makes me question at the time, and comparative to my now more safe-minded mindset, I guess, would I have done what I've done now? And that, to answer that, is an absolute no. And why I say that is because safety at the time I didn't consider as a very high of importance. I was flying at the time an MZ-100, which was a German paramotor. And at that time, it was antique. And by today's standards, well, it's equivalent to what the Flintstones would be using. It's a good paramotor, but just very dated. And so an engine out was relatively high. Also, considering that the fuel quality down there in Jamaica is questionable. A lot of water in the fuel and etc. So that's also an aspect of an engine out, very high. And you'll also see in this video that I essentially left the coastline and flew directly across the ocean to this very remote bar that was in the middle of the ocean. Did I have a flotation device? No. So there's a lot of aspects with this that safety was not considered. And I'm very lucky I'm still here as far as showing you this, but I'm happy to show you this video because it's just one of those videos that is just beautiful. So enjoy the video, hit that subscribe button and that like button, because I have a lot more videos of adventures that make you kind of just scratch your head, how did we survive that? And well, enjoy this video, and if you ever get a chance to fly Jamaica, I highly advise it. The people are amazing, and that country is just one of those countries that just makes you say wow. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hi! How are you guys?
Huh?
How are you guys?
Fine.